my name is Mark Mason, and I'm going to show you my homemade Skee-Ball machine. I've made this out of just cardboard boxes, little wood, plastic. I'll show you the little details here. It's working as a ball return, and I'm here in my schoolroom. We're a homeschool family, and working on a one income family is a little tight, and so we get a little creative on how to entertain our kids. And let me show you how it works. The kids discovered that bigger balls work too. So what I've got is I had to use some plastic here. You might be able to use cardboard, I don't know. You had to have a smooth ramp that gradually curves. I've got it attached to some wood, and it took some time to adjust it, and I used some clamps to come up with the right angle, because if you make it too steep, ball will come right back at you and won't go in, or it'll overshoot. And so it takes a little bit of science to just try to get that right angle there. With this, start with this. These are just TV boxes. I'm an integrator, so I've installed TVs, sound systems, projectors. So I've got all sorts of cardboard. If you ask around, it might take a little calls, but should be able to find some cardboard. I've got a ball return where the balls, when they go in, go down this hole, and then I've got a ramp that goes right here to funnel the balls right back to the bottom there. And you can use anything. I actually have this just being propped up with a separate box there. And then with this, I used some other boxes to prop up this box and just get a good angle, kind of whatever you're happy with. This is what I came up with. Inside, you can use these I got from work, but inside here, to give me kind of a stiffer platform, I used some cardboard tubes that I got from a Blueprint printing company. They get these super hard cardboard rolls that work really well. Well, if you have any questions, feel free to comment and ask any, and I'll be happy to answer them. And I thank you for your time.